Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afifan Fitria. I'm with my friends Dafarid Kirudiansha and Muhammad Mutakir. We are from Group 5. Today we are gonna explain how to use mercury thermometer. So let's go study.
First, wipe the thermometer using alcohol swab, and then wipe using tissue. Shake the thermometer to lower the temperature. Place the thermometer in the armpit for an easy estimate. Leave the thermometer in place for 2 until 4 minutes. Take the thermometer and then hold the thermometer horizontally to read the numbers. Wipe again the thermometer using alcohol swab and then dry using tissue. Shake the thermometer to lower the temperature. Put the thermometer back in its place.